What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the videos. So today we're making something coming directly from a comment on one of my videos. On my video about Jiffy Baking Mix's cinnamon rolls, I'll put the link right there. Somebody said, did you ever try the banana bread on the back of the box? And I was like, hold up, wait, what? There's banana bread? Did I not see that? Probably read it, even talked about it and didn't even think about it. Well, sure enough, on the back of the box, right there, banana bread on Jiffy. So Mike loves banana bread. I like it. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. He likes banana bread, so I'm making this more for him than me. But we're gonna make it using the biscuit mix. It has that and bananas and a few more ingredients, and that's it. So we'll see what this tastes like, guys. This is banana bread from Jiffy Biscuit. What is biscuit mix? It's baking mix, not biscuit mix, from Jiffy Baking Mix. If you guys are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. We got a few more to go till we're to that magic number of 1,000. Here we go. All right, in the bowl, we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of shortening. I'm using the butter flavored Crisco because I like the flavor of that. All right, into that, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Thought about using brown, but I resisted. I'm going to follow the directions. Now we're going to cream this together. I'm using a handheld. This is my Oprah mixer. I got it on Amazon. It's actually one of Oprah's favorite things, and it's a great little mixer. All right, this has been mixed. It's mixed really well. I didn't cream really well because there's a lot of sugar. I wondered about that. So we're going to put 2 cups of Jiffy Baking Mix. We're going to add 2 eggs. 1, 2 eggs. 1 cup of ripe, mushed up banana, which is about 2 whole bananas, by the way. Now, you can add chopped nut, but you know, we old and our stomachs are weird, so no nuts for that. We're going to mix this together. Okay, I think that my Oprah mixer is going to be too much. I think it's easier just to use a spoon. So we're going to grab an old-timey wooden spoon and go to town with it. Y'all, it smells good. It smells like banana bread. I'm just curious, is it going to have that biscuit kind of texture to it? I don't know about the texture to it. Because a lot of the quick breads use a lot of oil, which is like 1/3 of a cup of shortening. But we'll see. There you go. So now this is going to go into a 9 by 5 loaf pan lined with parchment. I can't get my parchment laid down, so remember that little trick about doing that? So we're going to put this. Just use those clips to hold it on the side. Once you get the bread in, the dough in, you can take the clips off. But the parchment was not wanting to lay into the pan correctly. Spatula. Okay, spread it out. Y'all, it smells good, looks good. This is going to go in the oven at 350 and bake for excuse me, for 50 minutes, 50 to 55, but you know my oven's hot, so she's gonna stand there for only about 50. Probably a little less than that, so here goes. All right, guys. Look, it's actually really nice. I just hope that it smells like banana bread. So this actually baked for about 45 minutes because remember my oven is really hot. So we're gonna leave this in the pan for a few minutes. Probably like 10-15 minutes. We want it to cool just a smidge. Then we're gonna take it out and let it cool. All right, guys. So this is cooled. It's not cool. It's warm, but it's definitely cooled off a little bit. I'm gonna cut that little end piece. Like that. Okay, that's what it looks like. A little yellow, but it's pretty good for banana bread, I guess. Texture is awesome. Okay, let's taste. So you know it should be slathered in butter, but I want to taste it without the butter. It smells like banana bread. No, it doesn't smell biscuity at all. Jiffy biscuit mix, baking mix, oops. A little bit drier than most banana breads, but the taste is really good. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. I would totally do this again. I think it's as good as most mixed banana muffin mixes. It's as good as that. It's probably not as good as homemade, but it's a mix. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, guys. Again, big slab of butter, melted or toasted with that on it. Oh yeah. Okay, viewer, thank you so much for your comment. So we know that's a thumbs up, as is the cinnamon rolls, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great week out there. Above all, be safe. Don't forget to hit subscribe while you're here. Down there at the bottom, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you guys be safe out there and take care of each other.